Good morning, everybody. Buddy at Bert's Garage back again. We got a cool day today, so I'm going to try to take the MGB for a little cruise here before it gets back to 100 degrees, and I'll take you along with me. I do want to show you a couple things that I'm going to work on probably within the, when the temperature, and probably in September in the fall. I do want to replace the hood, and I'll probably do that, but I want to spin this around and then I'll show you what I want to work on. One thing I want to work on, pull all this back. I want to redo the trim here that actually goes around the window. So I think if I get the trim to fit better, maybe put a bigger piece on, then I could line it more up with the door. So I want to work on that. I want to make out of cardboard, I want to make a template to do this side and the other side. So that's one thing I want to work on. Also want to work on adjusting the fuel gauge. You got to pull the fuel gauge out, and there's supposedly behind it a couple little screws that you can adjust. When the tank's full, it'll show full here because it's only showing a half tank. So hang with me, we're going to take a little ride here. All right, let's see if we can get this thing crank up. Fuel pump running. Give it a few minutes. Good oil pressure. Should be reading full because I filled it up the other day. It's only showing like a little over a half, so